Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for differentiation. So differentiate y equals to ln x over exponent 2x with respect to variable x. So before that, I'm going to modify the situation. So y is equals to ln x multiplied with exponent of negative 2x. And apply the product rule. So where we have y prime is equals to v multiplied with the u prime plus u multiplied with the v prime. So let the ln x as u followed by v. So differentiate the situation with respect to x, where we have dy dx is equals to v, where we have exponent negative 2x, multiply with the u prime, and we will have 1 over x multiply with 1 plus where we have u. So ln x multiply with v prime. Kindly differentiate the exponent negative 2x. Exponent negative 2x, kindly focus on the power. Differentiate the power and we will have negative 2. Rewrite the situation. So dy dx is equals to exponent negative 2x over x minus 2 ln x multiplied with the exponent negative 2x. Or you may express your answer dy dx is equals to exponent negative 2x multiplied with 1 over x minus 2 ln x. Or you may express your answer dy dx is equals to 1 minus 2x multiplied with ln x over x multiplied with the exponent 2x. Kindly focus on the question B. Given the situation, x squared plus y squared minus 2x plus 2y is equals to 23. Find the dy dx and the second derivative at the point where x is equals to negative 2 and y equals to 3. Differentiate the situation with respect to x. So we have 2x plus 2y dy dx minus 2 plus 2 dy dx equals to 0. So kindly rearrange the situation. So where we have dy dx multiply with 2y plus 2 equals to 2 minus 2x. Rearrange the situation. So dy dx is equals to 2 multiply with 1 minus x over 2 multiply with y plus 1. So dy dx is equals to 1 minus x over y plus 1. So kindly substitute the value x equals to negative 2 and y equals to 3. So dy dx is equals to 1 minus x over y plus 1. Kindly substitute the value x equals to negative 2 and y equals to 3. And we will have dy dx is equals to 1 plus 2 over 3 plus 1. So the value of dy dx is equals to 3 over 4. Next, what we have to do is to find the second derivative at the point where x equals to negative 2 and y equals to 3. So now I'm going to modify the situation where we have y plus 1 multiplied with the dy dx is equals to 1 minus x. So the purpose of doing that is because I'm trying to avoid the quotient rule. So state that we have a product rule, y prime is equals to v u prime plus u v prime. So let this one as a u and v. So differentiate the situation with respect to x. So where we will have dy dx multiply with u prime, where we have to differentiate y plus 1 with respect to x. and we will have dy dx. Plus, we have u, where we have y plus 1, differentiate the v prime, and we will have the second derivative. Is equals to, differentiate the 1, we will obtain 0 minus 1. Rewrite the situation. So where we will have dy dx square plus y plus 1 multiplied with the second derivative equals to negative 1. Rearrange the situation. So the second derivative is equals to negative 1 minus with the dy dx square over y plus 1. Kindly substitute the value into the second derivative. So where we will have the second derivative is equals to negative 1 negative multiply with 3 over 4 squared over, substitute the value y, and we will have 3 plus 1. So the second derivative is equals to negative 1 minus 9 over 16 over with the 4. And we will have the second derivative is equals to negative 25 over 16 over 4. So finally, the second derivative is equals to negative 25 over 64. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.